everyone wants to be Jamaican. If I was born anywhere else in this world, I would sue my parents. He think God biased because Jamaicans are his favorite people. No cap. Cause why Jamaica so enough? Everything we're going with, everything we're more dominate. Jamaica have the prettiest, the sexiest, the funniest, the smartest, the most handsome, the best chef, the best artist. I travel a lot and there's no country I go where they not play Jamaican music or I don't see a Jamaican flag or a Jamaican restaurant. Like, per. Anyone that disagree, plain 8, jealousy. Bad man I go kill no. Come to Jamaica for your coconut.
Hello folks, welcome back again to my new episode. It's another day. I hope you're doing well. I myself am doing great. We thank God. So folks, it has come to my attention that everyone suddenly wants to be Jamaican. So I asked myself why. And here is my research. Lately, it feels like everywhere you turn, from TikTok trends to celebrity interviews, fashion runways to music collabos, everyone suddenly wants to make Jamaican. And they're even claiming that they are Jamaicans but not born in Jamaica. The slang, the style, the food, the accent, and even the vibes. It's like there have been a global awakening, and now Jamaican culture is the new blueprint for cool. But here's the thing. Is this genuine appreciation, or are we watching another wave of cultural cherry-picking disguised as admiration? Today, we're diving into why Jamaican culture is having its moment again and why it really means when everyone starts claiming yardie vibes without the full context. So folks, sit back, relax and enjoy, because I'm going to post some videos with each and every video having each one explaining why they want to be Jamaican. Don't miss any of this video because I want you to hear each and everyone's opinion about why they want to be Jamaicans. Even you, drop your comments in the comment section why you want to be Jamaican if that's the case. Sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Bad man, no muggle in a shot. Straight jeans, cut off foot pants. Everybody have the arms, so we get my gushing flip. I'm on to you. Because it's summer. You want to be Jamaican now. Everyone wants to be Jamaican. When you're catching a wine, Jamaican. When you're drinking a Magnum, Jamaican. When you're eating jerk chicken, Jamaican. Is that all you guys know? People are going to be asking me in the comments. I know. What's my ethnicity? I'm Jamaican, Vietnamese, and Zimbabwean. Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. Don't question. I don't want to see any questions in the comments. What ethnicity? I'm all of it. I'm all of it. Motives. You want to be Jamaican? You do something crazy, Jamaican. What is the obsession with Jamaica? I'm even seeing the darkest of males from Uganda claim Jamaica. Sierra Leone, Jamaica. I've seen your eyes are red and your mom's eyes are yellow, Jamaica. I've seen you're the most African boy in the motive, Jamaica. What's the obsession? I need to
know. White Black Sound, we say Jamaica 60, you know. Yeah man, happy Independence Day to all the Jamaican them across the world. I'm a family, I'm a friend them. You see me? So make me show you what I go on the day here. You see me? Yeah man, we have a dumpling and a green banana. You see it? Yeah. And then we have a chicken back. You know what chicken back? In here, so we done cook already brown stew and curry. All the melon. Right there, you see me? Yeah man, I don't know what Jamaica 60 now. We are full jar with you. And we are give thanks every time. That is it.
Yo, this is crazy. The man said the water them with them I give you a poison. Hey, this is crazy. We've been on this flight from 1:15, sitting in these chairs. It's 6 o'clock right now. 6 o'clock and nothing happening.
This is how we have face on JetBlue. Pure water for kill we.
Pure water, don't me.
Pure water for kill we. We are selling down in Facebook. We are going viral. Oh my God. I know the plane can't left the runway.
Yo.
Oh my God. Pure water. Pure water never kill with.
Do you hear this?
Alright, let me explain.
All right. Please explain. plan.
So guys, I keep being told that reason why enough man look me or send me inappropriate DMs sometimes is because they assume that I came to Jamaica for khaki because that's what white girls do, them say. So let me clarify this with you guys. This statement is totally true because when you move to a next country, what do you take into consideration? Career? No. Weather, culture, social life? No. All of these are insignificant, right? All you think about when you move to a next country is khaki. So that's why we come to Jamaica. And also, you might assume that in Europe them have it, but no, because of climate change, it has become a very limited resource. Actually, not only in Europe, but worldwide, except Jamaica. So that's why so many white girls come to Jamaica to get khaki.
As a Jamaican man, the Empress for work and save her money. When she go to her friend, them, you give her a thing. She got a club, you give her money for buy a tow buckle for you and her friend. Baby, you don't get drunk, you understand? But a man supposed to work and provide for the woman and himself. That's how me know it.
Period.
Yeah, man. What you say? Tomorrow Sunday, you coming to work tomorrow?
Not a bomber clot.
Not a...
Gonna work on Sunday. On Sunday? Drunk gonna work on Sunday. Yeah.
Not a bomber clot.
Not a bomber clot. Get up. You see clot?
Bomber clot.
No, blood clot. No, sir. No, sir. Oh, God.
If you're Jamaican, this is for you, especially those born in Jamaica. If not, you can stay, but this is specifically for my Jamaicans, all right? Now that we're settled, why do you not like claiming us American-born Jamaicans? I have had conversations, even my own mother and father, born and raised there, came here in the 90s, few years before I was born, will look me dead in my eyes and say I'm not Jamaican. Did I not come from y'all? Was I not getting cussed out, ass whooped by Jamaican parents? Was I not going to and from Jamaica like twice a year and going to school down there a few times? Does that not qualify me? And the thing that be getting me with y'all is y'all don't see other cultures not claiming their people. So just because I was born here means I'm not Jamaican all of a sudden. I would need y'all to cut it out. Y'all need to answer. Why y'all do that? Why y'all like doing that?
If you are a black person especially, and you're used to feeling like a second-rate citizen in your own country, and you come here and you are seen, you are appreciated, you are validated, and on top of that, you are laughing all day long. Why wouldn't you think this is paradise? It is paradise. Land that I love. This is the first place in the world that I felt like a human being. This is the first place that I felt truly, truly seen. It was the times where I came to Jamaica to vacation as a child, and I barely made friends in the US. And in one weekend in Jamaica, I would make 10 friends. Oh, you want to play dominoes with me? I remember one Halloween I didn't have a costume. Well, my mom got me a costume. I didn't like it, and she punished me for that. Anyway, when I went outside, the kids didn't care. They're ready to play with me. They're joking around, they're playing around. They did not care in the least. This is Jamaica, where character matters. People are real here. People truly see you here. And this is what makes it so special and so beautiful and just such an iconic place to vacation and hopefully for me to live. I'm manifesting. This will be my home one day. And I will be the happiest, most blessed person alive.
Oh, no, listen to me. Please,
If you are not Jamaican, stop when I say a Jamaican.
Top.
Stop it.
Top.
Stop it! You're not mad me!
Blood. Yeah, man. Yeah, see me? Blood clap my doggy.
Yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget subscribe, like and share. I hope you have watched that video. And first, let's start with the obvious. Jamaican culture is undeniably magnetic. From reggae and dancehall to jack chicken and patois, it's bold, expressive and full of energy. Icons like Bob Marley, Usain Bolt, the runner, the one who usually participate in athletics, and even new stars like Shansia and Skillibeng, and the one and only Vibes Cartel, best known as World Boss, helped keep Jamaica in global spotlight. But in the last few years, there's been a shift. Now influencers who've never set foot on the island are dropping wagwan in each and every sentence they make. Major brands are using reggae beats in commercial. Celebrities are wearing Rasta colors on red carpets without even knowing what they represent or what they mean. It's pure vibes, folks, but it's also a pattern. And then there's the island lifestyle. People want the beachy vibes, the ram punch, and the dancehall parties, but not the social or historical context. Jamaica isn't just a tourist fantasy. It's a real place with real people, real stories, and a rich legacy that deserves more than just a trend status. Loving the culture will come with learning about the rules, not just remixing it for clout, but also knowing more about how it works. So, why does everyone suddenly want to be Jamaican? Because Jamaican culture is powerful, is influential, and unapologetic, authentic. But with great influence comes with a great responsibility. If you're going to borrow from the culture, please first respect it. Because it's one thing to love the vibe, and it's another thing entirely to love the people. And if the world really wants to ride these Jamaican waves, it needs to do more than just surf the surface. Respect the depth. That's the real yard style. Don't forget to like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more commentary that cuts deeper than the trend. Bless our falls and falls wagwan. Peace, brothers and sisters. Until next time, let's meet in the next episode. Have yourself a great day.